Come out for your surprise.
Huh? Daddy!
Hi.
Did you get my dress?
Oh, that's all you think of?
Did you get that ducking? What is a
We
ducking?
got Trinity a pink shirt and a hat.
I want to see a ducking.
And we'll take Trinity to get her a dress later on.
Oh, cool! You can get the duck,
Mm-hmm.
and then it would fall down.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, it looked like you didn't miss Daddy very much.
It's not. Just what did you get me?
Goodness gracious.
Well,
Cool.
Well, Daddy, you weren't missed.
apparently not.